Rahim. Yesterday we created bands for our profile. Today, inside the profile, the upper top view, where there is NGL, PGL, the road design, and the natural ground surface, and then the crust, curve table, the label. Like here we will adjust how it's if I see it's not looking good, to make it better looking like for printing. Same like here, if you can see this view, like adjusting, you can adjust this by manual or adjusting by from the setting. We will know today. There is the grade line in this profile. There must be showing the grade in going inside and outside, and like this. Let's start to do this work. First of all, the height of the profile must be more, so this the curve data must be just here. So the vertical, this is vertical curve and this is horizontal curve. This the difference between the two curve: horizontal curve in the plan and the vertical curve in the profile. So let's start it. Click on the profile view and go to the profile view property. Actually this came in the profile view property. Okay, if I came to profile view property, the information bar, there is the name of the alignment. You can change here an object style from here. Currently this is profile view, which we set from the profile view style. So from here you can change your name. From here the station is automatic. This is station rain. From here you can adjust your section. Suppose I need up to 500, so here manually you can write, or you can select from the alignment here, and from this arrow you can select the station. When you click apply, you will see now the length of this profile decreases to 500. Okay, so again I will go to property and I will set it automatically, and now you can see the length it come to its original position. Then for the next is elevation. If you see the above here, this above my profile there is less place. So for this, what will I do? This by default it's from 660 to 665. So from here I will increase. Suppose I will 670. Apply, and then now you can see the height adjusted and also the vertical curve data adjusted. Like you can increase or decrease this value from here, also from here, and when you click apply, it's a happen now. The other profile, the profile is like you want to, from here you can change the style of this profile. If you want to exist in, if you exist in this natural ground color, if you want to change from here, you can change. Or override style, you can override style from here. You know the station about here, nothing much to change. So the bands, already we created band for here, so we will not discuss this. So these were in the hedge. If you want to hedge the cut and fill area, you can, the cut area like here, it will color. If I click on the cut, this upper boundary and the lower boundary, upper boundary is my surface and the lower boundary is the design. So it's mean there will be cutting when the NGL is above and the PGL is below. It's if you click here, then the hedge will appear here. From here you can assign the style of the cut material. Already it's set, so the fill material, when the design is up in the NGL, so if NGL is below, automatically there will be fill material up to the design. So when I click apply and OK, now there must be hedge appear. If it is not appear, you must go to the style. So from here the layer must be on the profile hedge, so this must be on, and you can see now the the cut and the fill. The cut is red and the fill is green. So you can show your cut and fill in your profile. If somebody asks to show the cut and fill area in the profile, you can show like this. Okay, let's come to the grade view like this. So for that I will click on my profile, design profile, right click and then go to edit label. In the edit label, if you can see, there is already some edit. So I will delete this all and this apply, and now you can see all things removed here, nothing here. We will add new, so you will understand how it is added. Click on your design and go to edit label. For the first, there is a major and minor station. No need for this. Suppose if I will add major station there, here nobody add here the station, so we don't need this minor and major station in our profile. The next thing is horizontal geometry. uh, Horizontal geometry is for the alignment or the center of the road, not in the vertical profile, so we don't need this one. We will add a line. The line mean the grade, it will show you the grade where it's going down or up. And here there are two style, percentage grade and slope, 1 and 2x. Okay, for I suppose if I select the percentage tag and then click OK and then apply, now you can see one appear here and this appear here. This showing the grade is minus, and this showing the grade is going up. Okay, if I zoom a little, you can see now. So now you can see here, this is grade going minus and there is positive, so it's going up like this. If showing in every distance, and each interval of the distance is good. You can change the style if you want, and one is two like this. If you want to show it, click apply and it will show like this, one is two like this. But normally we are showing in the other the other, this one, the percentage grade we are showing in the percent grade. The weeding must be not more than 200 or 50. The 50 is good, because if you will increase the up to more, and suppose up to 200, it will disappear in the 200 meters. So keep it in like 0 or 50, it's better. So it will be like equal interval showing like this. You can adjust the color. If you want to change its color, go inside this, click from here. It's showing here you what will you will change, and from the layout you can adjust the style and you can change the color of your grade. So when you click apply, the color of the grade change. There is other option we already discuss inside that, so you can change from there. Okay, now let's insert the other label here. So if I go to, I will click here. If I go to edit label style, the other option is grade break, where when we insert a PVI, you already saw there was a line appear here. So there is a single option here, station over elevation. If I click add here and I click apply, now you can see from here there is a grade break starting, and all over my design profile, when there is a grade break, it's appear here, it's showing the station and the grade break. From if you want to change the style, you must click here, you go, and this sign, the sign here, and the inside the style you click and you can you can make changes here. If you want, you can make changes the length of the line like this. You can, there is many option, you can change the color, uh, same like other thing we change from here, you can change. Okay, the next thing here, there is no data for the crust and sag here, so we will adjust, we will insert this option. So I will click on the design and then edit label. There is crust and curve and sag curve. For the crust curve, uh, uh, you must not select the single one, select the both of them. If there is crust or sag, it will select automatically. You can change it later from here for the single one. and then click apply, and now you can see it's appear here for the crest. Same like I will for the seg I will add here, and I click apply. Now you see the for the seg it's insert here. Okay, now you can specify the height of this crest or this seg data. You can we from here you can adjust here this uh, the distance about pix elevation. Suppose pix elevation, then you will specify the pix elevation here for the both. If you specify pix elevation, click on here. Now this way you can change here. If you can 1000, if you apply, then it will go for the pix elevation. Same like you can insert as sometime which you need the distance below, so click apply and it will go downside the zero, give value, and it will go below to the your design. Same like okay, the other thing, graph top view from here. If you apply, it will how much distance you give here, it will from the graph. This is the graph top view, so it will appear here. So normally we keep in the distance above and give some height here. Suppose this is 665, you can adjust from here. Okay, for distance above you must then decrease the height of the, suppose this is 50, so 50 is you must look at this to how to adjusting like, and from here. Okay, so same like here you can adjust your data of the design. Now you can see the our design is the profile, it's looking good. You can adjust the height from here if you want. Station elevation 650, so it's 60 55 like this. You can adjust your view like, now it will look good. Same like you can adjust the height and the no? So like this you can adjust your profile view by printing, and manually you can also adjust. If you need some time, you can adjust the height of the curve data from the here. So hopefully you will try on this thing, inshallah. Tomorrow and the next we will start from the here the profile, from create profile from the file, inshallah, in the tomorrow video. Okay, thank you.